nĩ kũrĩa mũthaki Daniel Anyembe ũrĩa akoretwo agĩthakĩra timu ya Denmark augĩte nĩ eharĩrĩirie gũthakĩra timu ya Harambee Stars. Aciari a Anyembe nĩ a kuma bũrũri wa Denmark o hamwe na gũkũ Kenya. Anyembe arauga thengia wa gũthakĩra timu ya Denmark kĩroto gĩake nĩ kũrirũkia bendera ya bũrũri wa Kenya mathako-inĩ ma mũbira ehumbĩte matonyo ma timu ya Harambee Stars. Anyembe athakaga ta mũrangĩri wa ũmotho na aya gũkorwo arĩ kĩguni kĩnene kũrĩ timu ya Harambee Stars makĩria rĩrĩ ĩreharĩria gũthaka ngucanio ya kĩũrata na timu ya Iran tarĩki 28 mweri ũyũ.
The federation, they contacted me actually also a few years ago, but I sadly ran into an injury. So now again we started speaking, and then the coach, he called me, he involved me in the project and told me that he was excited to have me. So when he called, I was not in doubt. I was ready to come to Kenya and play for the national team. I'm looking forward. I think it's a good challenge. They've been recently in the World Cup, so I think it's going to be a tough game. But I'm sure that if we keep training like we did today, with the great intensity in the training, we will manage and we can do very well. So I hope we can do a good.